and pull all the way to mommy. Okay? One. Look at mommy. Two.
Daddy, see me.
Three. Go. There we go. And up. Good job. Yay.
Daddy's gonna come swimming out later.
Okay, we're going to go back to the fishy. We're going to roll over and float because we got to take a break and rest. Do you see fishy?
Ready?
See the fishy?
One. You're gonna swim to Danielle.
We're gonna float.
And then you're gonna go to the fish. 1, 2, 3. Reach and pull.
Good reaching, good reaching. Relax, Paisa. Okay. 1, 2, hello. Gonna go to the stairs. 3, swim. Go get the fishy. Go get the fishy. Yay!
Daddy, see me.
Yes.
I'm swimming.